one wheel is here, battery is here, let's go. It's heavy as shit. I'm at Treviso airport in Italy. Just passed the TSA. They did check the battery, but they let me through without any problems. Boarded the plane. I hope my bag is also traveling with me, and see you on the other side. Hey, where's my one wheel? Oh, it's right here. I zip-tied the bag to see if they're gonna check it, and seems like they did not. So that's a good sign. Let's see if everything's okay. And everything's okay. Let's assemble the battery. Okay, so what's this video about? I just made it to Tenerife with my VX wheel, my DIY one wheel, and it passed all the security at the airport, so it's officially legal to travel with. We are now in Los Cristianos. Okay, we're cruising towards Los Americas. I packed the one wheel in a body bag and put it in a checked baggage. Took the batteries out, divided them in 4 packs as expected to be needed while I was designing it. Of course, the battery was a bit suspicious, so they asked me to show the packs, but as soon as they saw there's only batteries and not a bomb or something like that, there was no problem. They just let me through. So first time, no problem at all. Hopefully it will stay like this also for the road back, so that my VX wheel will not stay here. What's the plan to do here? There's actually no plan. I'm just tired of my work and all of my hobbies, so I need some days off, and that's what I'm doing right now. A police car just passed by. I don't know if it's allowed to ride this thing right here, but I guess it's okay because they didn't stop me. Okay, so the whole flight was 4.5 hours. It's quite a long journey. Okay, I don't know where I should go. Maybe here. I don't even know where I'm going right now. I'm just cruising around in this nice place. Also have signs like this, so I guess I'm not supposed to go here. I guess I'm not allowed to do this, but I'm on holidays. I don't care. Wow, look at that. What a nice place. Today I'm going to see the southern part. In a few days I'm gonna move to the north of Tenerife. I'm gonna be here about a week. Let's just don't crash into somebody. Wow, that's shady. I don't know what that is. I'm so excited. I'm in Tenerife, Spain, and my DIY Onewheel is with me. This means, as expected, it is legal to air travel with it. So this is a big thumbs up for my design. I'm just so happy with it. I think we are approaching, actually I don't know where I am exactly, but I think we are approaching Los Americas. It's the first time I'm here, so I didn't check up the map. I'm just riding wherever it's nice. There's a lot of police right here, so I guess I'm gonna stick to another road. Or not. They didn't stop me, second time. I'm gonna need to move out of the road. Let me just escape here. Okay. Let's go back down to the sea. So why is my design allowed to air travel? You can see the details about my battery design, which is which has the main difference from the other designs. In my video about the battery design, stick to that and you will see why and how this is possible with almost 400 watt hours. That makes enough for about 30 kilometers. The only bad thing that happened to me on this journey is I didn't get my small charger in time, so I needed to take a big one, which was a pain in the ass, but at least I'm here and I can ride it. Let's take a photo on the beach. This is exactly what I came here for. So there's one thing you might think of what to do before. Oh shit, well, the sign's here again. Okay, so there's no one wheel in it. I don't even care about it anymore. What to do with the tire and the pressure. Maybe it's not a bad idea to deflate the tire a little bit, but the cargo area of the passenger airplanes is pressurized. Maybe not fully, but enough not to do any harm to your one-wheel tire. So I didn't do any of it. It came out okay. I just started riding it. It's the same pressure, I think, as before, so nothing happened. You have to consider sometimes animals live in the cargo area of the planes, so also the temperature will not drop that much. They have to keep it pressurized and inside some temperature limits for pets or other things to survive. Wow, that's a nice place. Okay, I did some nice photos up there, but I need to keep moving because it's damn hot. There is not so hot, so while riding it's totally fine, but if you stop, then it's hot. Seems like this is the end of the path near the sea. Oh, let's see, maybe not. Okay, I'm gonna continue on this road as much as possible, and then I'm gonna call my friends to pick me up, because we are continuing up in these directions towards Los Gigantes, but we're gonna continue by car. Breaking the rules once again. There are many signs about what not to ride here. There is no one wheel on any of them. We are in National Park Teide, Tenerife, and yes, we love it here. So windy, I can't tell you anything because probably you're not gonna hear it. But this is National Park Teide. this is Playa at San Andres. I just left San Andres and I'm riding towards Santa Cruz. Not the best road, but it's nice. Approaching Santa Cruz, but the road's getting nicer. Those tiles were killing me. But San Andres was, in my opinion, the nicest sand beach I ever visited. I didn't even plan to visit Santa Cruz, but since I'm waiting for my friends, I have some time. I'm gonna ride in the center of the city and they will pick me up there. I don't even have my shoes because I left them in the car, but for today it's gonna be okay. Let's see the city center. There's a nice village that I don't know what's the name of it. Oh, okay. We're actually already in Santa Cruz. Okay, I'm in the city. This bike lane is quite bumpy, so I have to be careful. I actually don't know what to see here. Just gonna cruise around a bit. And nope, taking a one wheel with me on holidays was not a bad idea. This was the best idea. So maybe the next holidays I'm gonna try using just the one wheel and no rented car. We'll see about that. Okay, that's a nice bike lane. That thing. Ah, it's Auditorio de Tenerife. Now I know something more. And what's that thing? And what's that thing? I don't know. Let's find out. But I need to ride around because there's some look at boat. I just found another nice place, but it's behind the fence. Maybe next time I figure out how to get inside. I'm on the other side of Santa Cruz, actually leaving the city. I don't know where is this bike lane going, but I'm gonna continue. As my friend didn't call yet, so I still have time. Well, bike lane stops here if you're wondering where Santa Cruz stops for one-wheel riders. This place, like many others in the northern part of Tenerife, it's crazy for one-wheeling. All the streets are like San Francisco, they're so steep, it's barely rideable. Look at all the banana fields, there's so many. Okay, I just arrived in Puerto de la Cruz, probably my last destination of these holidays, or maybe not. Not even 10 minutes after I got out of the terminal, I'm already riding with my backpack and my one-wheel body bag, and we're in Treviso. I have 1 hour 20 minutes left till my ride home is here, so I might just well do some riding. Thing is, the bag which I have here, whoa, don't move your bags while you're riding. The big body bag was not open for any checks for the flight there and for the flight back. So I guess the one wheel is totally legal to fly in a checked baggage, while the battery that I had with me on board was checked, but there were no complaints. I just took it out of my bag, said it's a battery, it went through the scanner and everything was fine. That's it for this time. See you on the next adventure somewhere someday.